Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to niche pages using Squarespace website. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps. So for me in this tutorial I'm using Brave. Of course, for you can use other browsers that could be possibly working for you. So here I would like just go and open Squarespace website. Let's just delete that. Type squarespace.com, hit the enter button, and here that will actually be your home or main screen. Of course, if it's your first time using the website, you would like to go and create your account, then choose some templates from here or some websites from here to start using the website correctly. So for me, I'm just going to click at my icon here because I already have done this. So here in my dashboard, I will actually find the website that or the template that I use. I'm just going to click at go to website, and after that, let's wait until it's load. Let's just ignore this page, or sorry, we actually need to go through this page. So of course, if you want to edit your website, you can just go and click on that and start editing whatever you want here. So let's just click at done because we don't want that. So here I'm just going to click at pages, and if you want actually to niche some page or make a page like a sub page, all you need to do, just like as an example, let's create first of all some new pages. So let's say this is a new folder. Just click here at new page. Let's just choose, of course you can choose blank page, page layout, scheduling, blog, store, portfolio, events, videos, link, other stuff here. So let's just go and click at blank page. So as you can see here, we'll have, sorry, yeah, here is it. So that is actually our black or new page. Of course we can, I'm just going to name it test, and of course as you can see here is it. So let's say as an example, that's actually our sub page. So all you need to do, of course, if you want even not to create it, let's just delete that. Let me show you a better like stuff. Let's just delete page. So let's say as an example, let's just go here to the work. So that actually work, we can actually like duplicate it. So just go click on that, scroll down. So of course, if you don't have the duplicate page here, it's fine. Just go here to, you'll need to duplicate one page per another. So of course, we would like to, as you can see here, this is a copy. I already like duplicated. So of course, if you want to duplicate, just go and click at the settings option here, scroll down, click at duplicate page, click as confirm, and you can actually make a sub page to maybe the first one is gone, or I don't know, getting hacked or anything. You will have a sub page which is a niche page. So that will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.